Wall Street Pete. Sick dough in crypto. Want to learn how to make some sick dough in crypto? Hit the like, subscribe, because we're going on a ride. We're going to the moon, and damn, we're already going soon. Wanted to come with some crypto news, right? We always talk about it. What else do we talk about? We do live TA, right? We talk about positivity. If you woke up on the wrong side of the bed, you need to go start over, listen to a good beat, and wake up on the right side of the bed. My name's Wall Street Pete. We used to work on the New York Mercantile Exchange building where we did the open outcry pit. We are no longer there. We now work from home. So without further ado, let's get into some of Solana to be the number one target. We go back on to September, and we are in September. Isn't it funny how we're going back to it? But as we go into September, and if you do look, and if you do remember, September, let's see, just about right here, 5th. I know on my video, I believe it was Friday or Saturday, we talked about how we need to maybe buy a long position. It could have been longer, I'm sorry. But, 119, here we are. I talked about it. If it broke through the 19, I'm sorry, September 3rd or the 2nd. And I said if we broke that 119 level, and here it is, we would put in a long position. So what did we do? Well, we put in a long position after I broke through, and now we are 64% possible on our money. I do see a bullish flag forming here. That's something similar to what's going on. Got to pay attention, definitely to mention on there. So congratulations to everyone who took the Solana position. Seriously, I'm proud of you if you did. It looks like we may be getting some more up, as I'm not a registered financial advisor, but just a gentleman who likes to wear the visor. And yes, I did. I bought a little more Ethereum as I'm trying to accumulate a little more for my girlfriend here. Let's see if we don't get these double bottom M's. I'm a little concerned that there might be one coming, and you should be concerned too. This is what, the hourly? So the hourly could be something like that. Hit that trend line, see if you hit it here. That's about 38,000. Give us a fake dead cat bounce, and then we would proceed to hit this level. And nobody wants to be there at the 34,000, 3,400, excuse me. So that's something I'm worried about a little bit going down. Hopefully we just stop right here and we get our resistance level at the previous spot. And that was about it right there. Excuse me on there. So this is what I'm talking about. Right there about the level of 37. So let's pay attention to that, see if we can come and bounce nicely off there and stay and come back on our trend, as the trend usually is your friend. We'll find out the trend is over. And when we find out the trend is over, if we see we established right here on this little area, we were under the trend line. And we coasted along through before we got a breakout. So this is what I want to see here. Do we do the same thing? Does history repeat itself? That's the question. This is Ethereum, so we've done Solana, and now we're doing a quick Ethereum, because I want you to understand the high volatile wave action on the upward trend motion here is a very bullish trend. And then if you follow the history here, and that's what I'm really trying to give you, you'll see what happened, right? And then we got that boom up right here. Take that, and now look at where we're at. And now before you know it, we're looking at 4,600 Ethereum, and that could be for the month of September. And that's something I'm definitely paying attention to. You heard it here first. But we have to talk about both scenarios. We have to be like the weatherman. We can't always talk about sunshines and rainbows, right? It's always not a wonderful day. It could be just rain. It could be cloudy. It could be cold. So pay attention. This is a high volatile market. You could lose your shirt, and I don't want nobody to lose their shirt. So do your own research and pay attention to these falls. Look at this M word coming here. This is scary, so pay attention to this level. This is something definitely I'm going to be paying attention to, the 3847. If Ethereum, does not break the $3,900 level and come through strong, I'm paying close attention, definitely to mention, okay? So that's something to pay attention to. Solana, we already know it can go sideways and then go out of nowhere to the moon. So we'll pay attention to that. So we're doing Ethereum, Bitcoin, and Solana, your mama. I love the name. It's just like I have no mama, so I can fool around. But I do see some things here. This could be the start of the same thing. Bitcoin could be doing the same exact thing. And we don't want to see that, as the hourly's showing me that. I really don't like it, so we're going to go switch to another candle here. But that's something that we could be worrying about, and we have to pay attention to the level at the 52,000. If you watch me and you hit the like, subscribe, and you're a follower of mine, you already know we talked about the 53,000 on this level here of reaching, and we were nowhere near there. We were probably trading about 48, and I was telling you 53 was coming, 57 is possible, and now we're going to get a little cool down. If we do jump up and we do get this upward bullish move, that would be something cool. That would be great. Where would we go with Bitcoin? I already said 57,000, but I don't know if we're going to get there yet. A healthy correction is on its way, most likely, so that's something I talk about. You look at all this volume coming out. We would need some of the volume down here to match. Definitely need the bottom volume down here to match that's coming out to come back in. So let's hope that the worst case scenario, let's see, I'll pull up the Fibby on you. Do a quick little Fibonacci. And I hope I have this correct, so let me get this down. Okay. All right, so we look pretty good on the Fibonacci. So what are we doing here? Yeah, we look to be just about maybe done on Bitcoin falling. This is a strong level here. So this is it. This is the final case here. If we break below here, and I do see it, if we break below, and we definitely fall through to the 49,000 level, Bitcoin will be in trouble. You're going to have to take some of your profits ahead of time. That's why I always say take profits. I'm just looking at this chart. We've been going up for a little bit sideways. Pay attention, definitely. This is the hourly. I promise we go to the 4, so I just want to make it, something different. That's what I'm talking about. Even the 4 release shows a possible downward M slope. The volume's coming out pretty hardcore, as you can see there. So definitely, please be careful. Do your own research. Pay attention. If we don't break out through the levels I said earlier, for that, we're going to look pretty stagnant. Even 52 right here needs to come through. But we did come down enough on the Fibonacci sequence. Looks pretty strong. Even on the 4 hourly here. Let me see if I have it set up. And I do. Yes, that guy's name is effing Larry. That just came through. But there it is. So we're looking good. So Wall Street Pete, sick though, in crypto. Hit the like, subscribe. We're going on a ride, definitely going to the moon. We're going soon. So pay attention to Solana. I do believe Solana can hit $250. That's the ending of my prediction. $250, and Solana's going to make a big correction. There's no way it's going to keep going. It may do it at 200, but we already fought and established that, so this is where we could be coming down. Don't jump on the green candles. If you're not in Solana already, I would not recommend getting a position put in yet. Right now, take profits and look to see what's happening for some bloodbaths. If there's some rain, if there's some red days coming, then you already know you made the right choice by taking some profits. If you're in Harmony Token, I did want to talk about that before we go, actually. Harmony Token, I bought at 9 cents, right? Almost 10 cents. And now the market fell, right? And my money established a nice level. I had such a position on Cardano, such a position on everything, it started falling. And I looked at my money and I said, why did my money not move? Oh, Harmony Token, the peer-to-peer network, the one token. Yes, it went to 15 cents, 15 and a half, all the way to almost pretty much 16 cents. You could have had some. If you did, you know what I'm talking about. Your portfolio might have went up even. So that's awesome. Pay attention, like, subscribe. This is how your money cannot fall. You got to be diverse. So hit the like, subscribe. We're going on a ride. We're going to the moon, and we're going soon. Hit the bell notification so when we go live for you, you can get this information immediately without any waiting. Wall Street Pete, Sicto and Crypto, we're here for you. I thought I'd let you know. Peace in and peace out.